Good morning, good morning. Here we are once again. Now,
It's a cat.
once a cat. I am just getting home. I was training this week. I was teaching
Train.
paint protection film,
Paint.
trimming, scoring, and
Train.
installation of pre-cuts. But while I was gone, Mia, we got a package in, didn't we? So this came from an Instagram giveaway from Detail Depot. Now, Detail Depot is a great store, online store. They carry a lot of great products, and they had a giveaway for a hat from maxshine. maxshine is a real cool company. It helps you get affordable detailing equipment. While a lot of their products are on the entry level to mid level and
like Jasmine.
yes, they are not quite on the level of like Rupes or Flex or anything like that, but for the person who is just starting out, they offer a great price point and they offer good tools. Not the best tools, but they're not the worst tools. They are a very strong tool. Mia, do you like the hat? You gonna wear it? You want Daddy wear it? Oh, okay.
Adios,
So Mia,
Adios.
do you approve of the hat? Do you like it? Yeah?
It's approved.
Yeah, it's approved. It's Mia approved. I'll try to
maxshine.
keep doing updates. It's going to be a very busy month. I'm also teaching again next week. I'll be
Can I
doing.
come?
No, next week you can't come. I'll be in Houston next week.
But I've never been in Houston.
I know you haven't been to Houston, but it's okay. I'm gonna go. I have to teach PPF again.
Can I teach too?
Maybe we can make a video and you can help tell the class some things. How about that? But you can't go because you have to get ready for school because school is starting soon. Mia, what grade are you gonna be in? Kindergarten. You just finished TK, right? And you are starting kindergarten. So
Look at my.
I will try to update as much as possible. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you real soon. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.